have this motion where they're saying alcohol has been detected, this violation report. Have both parties had a chance to review this?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
All right, so what are we going to do about this? Or is there concern that this is not a
Judge,
true?
I'm
Positive.
concerned that it's positive.
Okay.
If you noted, okay. And he blew after that and there was no issues.
Mhm.
Additionally, Judge, this man has been working his butt off on his recovery.
Mhm.
I actually provided the state last week with some mitigation stuff. He's been going to AA. I really feel like he is not using, if that makes sense.
Mhm.
I feel very confident in that based on our interactions. I made very clear to him at the inception of this case that drinking alcohol could be fatal. This is listed as a second VR.
Mhm.
The first VR was the date of installation,
Yes.
and he called and explained to me that he wasn't using, but had some issues with that too.
Mhm.
Based
Well-
on those things, Judge, I feel like it's a false positive, if that makes sense.
Well, I'm looking at the readings and the readings do appear to be a little bit off. State, have you had a chance to review the readings?
The judge, but I mean,
The readings drop very significantly and they shouldn't have.
He got a battery notice too, day before yesterday, Judge, so I don't know if that ever had anything to do with it.
Okay. All right. So from looking at the readings, there appears to be some issues and there may be issues with the device, but the readings appear to be off. So I do have some concerns that we're not actually alcohol that has been ingested based upon the readings that I'm seeing. What I would suggest is perhaps check with the company, see if that machine needs to be changed out. And we'll keep an eye on things. Is everyone okay with that? Okay.
Judge, of course, I didn't see the VR until I think the 19th.
Mhm.
I would have sent him for an alcohol test had it been within 3 days, as far as when I got notice. That's how confident I feel in
All right. And is he on more than one device?
two, Judge.
All right. Do we need him on two devices? He's on two devices. I don't think he was on two devices with me.
He was, Judge, so he had the
portable device. There's
Had
an
a
issue
vibration.
with that recording on that day, and that's when the scram was installed.
but he's had no issues since that time, since day one to today.
All right. Are both parties okay with removing maybe the in-home and keeping Scram?
the state is, state's.
Absolutely.
All right.
Judge.
And I think which one is the least expensive one?
The Bluetooth device, the portable device.
But the portable device, they're telling me that's the one that was causing problems.
Your Honor, if I can speak.
Sure.
I am okay with whatever device to show you that I am in full compliance and that I do not look to mess up again. Throughout this process, it's been education, compliance, and application. Those are the three things that I've used to get through this process, learn about myself, and to show you that I am in full compliance and looking to not only learn about my situation, but show you that I learned.
Well, I appreciate that you're doing that.
Yes, ma'am.
So both sides, how much is the in-home device for you?
The in-home Bluetooth device is $100 a month. The Scram is $320 a month.
So we take the scram off, Judge.
All right, but here's the thing. You all were saying that the in-home device, there were some issues with it?
No, the scram, well, early on, but no issues in the past, what is it, 5 or 6 months?
Correct, 6 months.
So
All right, so the in-home device is significantly cheaper. If they were close, I would say, we'll keep the Scram. But State, are you okay with just having the in-home?
Yes.
All right.
And there's, just so the court knows, there's no driving right now, Judge, and we have an affidavit on file.
Okay. And I'll put plus no driving. All right. So what I'm going to order then is we'll continue with the in-home device. No alcohol use. And I'll put in here waive fees, but I already know what they're gonna tell me, but I always put waive fees in there. But I'm sure I'll get notice that I'm not allowed to do that. So, and I'm also gonna order the removal of scram and the no driving, which you're already not driving. All right, so we were here on January 22nd and was recalled for today for this. Let me give you all a new date. Oh, we're already set for
We've got
March
a setting,
7th.
Judge, yes, we're
Oh.
just waiting on blood.
All right, is there anything else?
State.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
Thanks.